here's the actual beer rink. As I said, it was post-recorded training, so whatever. Or pre-recorded training. And of course, boop, and boop. Also, going for those extra hats can sometimes get you hit too, so another good thing to watch out for is don't go for the health if you're not planning on getting hit. Well, and it's going to get you hit. WOAG. WOAG. Yeah. Also, RNG doesn't really play a whole lot into this fight as well. Or I wanted to make sure I was still recording. I don't know. And bomb. Bomb. I would say that on stream, I was making it a lot more difficult than it should have been. Mostly because I was focused on commentary. Boop, boop. Jump, boop. And I just decided to kill this minion for no apparent reason. Boop. 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 Jump. I tried going for some cheeky damage there, but it didn't work. And parry, parry. And on the third round, he's going to launch a skateboard, so you want to make sure that you're avoiding that. And jump, parry, and jump, and that's it. And I believe that I said something here shortly or something. I got it. So yeah, there is a P rank for y'all. And y'all didn't believe me. I'm kidding, you all believed in me. Also, if you're wondering what the weirdness is over... Sorry, I was actually just recording on the off chance that I did get an S rank, so... I recorded part of the chat window. I'm dumb.